Fire in the Blackstone hole, let's cook a Palermo burger. I know you don't know what that is. I'm going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my Blackstone griddle. Today I want to make a burger, a very special burger that I've never tasted. I've only read about it. And I read about it in a newspaper. There's a restaurant in my town called the Fat Stork. I hope I got that right. And this is their featured burger at the Fat Stork. First thing you gotta do is make a sauce for this burger. This is called the Palermo Burger. We're gonna take some extra virgin olive oil and put in the pan. I want a good bit of it in there. It's got a restrictor on it, so I'm afraid you're gonna have to wait while I pour the extra virgin olive oil into my pan. I think I want about an inch of olive oil in that pan. We gotta heat this sauce. The sauce is my creation. I'm paraphrasing the sauce that the Fat Stork puts on their burger. The sauce they put on their burger is called the pill sauce, and I'm making a similar concoction of it. If I can find my garlic. So I've got a bunch of olive oil in there, and I've got a bunch of garlic that I sliced, peeled and sliced. Whole bunch of garlic in there. Okay, then we've got some crushed red pepper. You need to put some crushed red pepper in there. About a tablespoon of crushed red pepper. And we're going to let that garlic and pepper steep in that olive oil. But we're also going to put some other stuff in there. I want to put some, I've got some dark soy sauce. Dark soy sauce is just like light soy sauce, but it's sweeter. It's much sweeter and thicker. So of course it's harder to get out of the jar, but I'm still going to do it. I'm looking at about a tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Okay, I think I got enough, right? And we'll get the dark soy sauce in there. And then I got some regular soy sauce, which I think I took the restrictor out of. Oh, I didn't. Yeah, we want about a tablespoon of regular soy sauce. Much thinner than the dark soy sauce. The regular soy sauce is it's kind of thin. And it's salty, of course. It's salty. But we still need some salt in there. We also need some funk. So to bring the funk, we've got 3 Crabs brand fish sauce. Vietnamese fish sauce. This stuff is funky because it's made with anchovies. And I was going to put some anchovies in there. I'm putting about a tablespoon of fish sauce in there. I was going to put some anchovies in there, but I changed my mind. I decided not to. I'm going to put a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic in there too. It's already got garlic, but now it's got salt and pepper. We're going to mix that up, mix that sauce up. I'm going to use that to put on the burger, and I'm also going to use it to cook the burger and the other components of this Palermo burger. So let me get the spoon out of there so it doesn't get so hot I can't touch it. I'm going to scoot this over to the corner of the griddle where it can steep over there, and then we'll come back and we'll do the rest of this. So stay tuned. Okay, I got my sauce heating up over there. I'm going to grab my griddle on a medium-high heat, and over here we're going to put some peppers and onions, bell pepper and onion. And I want to put some of that sauce on there. Some of that sauce that we just made. I'm going to dip out a little bit of it and put on the peppers and onions to help cook the peppers and onions. These are going to go on the burger. But they need some kind of oil to cook them. Looks good already. Red bell peppers and onions. Just enough from one burger, and I dip out some of that sauce with the garlic in it. Oh boy. Now you're talking. Now you're talking. Okay. What's the other thing we got to do? Well, we're going to dip out some more of that sauce over here. Dip out some more of that sauce, put it over here. I'm going to throw down my burger. On top of that, I just got a regular burger patty. I'm going to put some of that salt, pepper, whoops, sorry, salt, pepper, and garlic on there. Hope you can see that. Salt, pepper, and garlic on both sides of my burger patty. And also it's cooking in that oil. It's got garlic infused, like stuck in. So a little bit of salt, pepper, and garlic. A little bit more of that oil, I think. Cook our peppers and onions over here. I'm probably going to turn the right side off. Let me move my burger over where you can see it. You get some more of that sauce. The sauce they use at the Fat Stork is a pill sauce. This is my version of it, of a pill sauce. We're going to put this on that burger. Get that cooked up. Oh boy, that smells good already. Let me tell you what. Sauteing my onions and peppers over here. That's going to go on the burger. Going to get them cooked up. Cooking my burger up is all I can do to keep from smashing it, because I love smash burgers. But for this one, we're making it mafia style. We're going to cook the whole burger just like that. And all I got to do now is toast up some bread and get the other condiments going and get my sauce cooking. It's starting to cook now. The garlic and the peppers are steeping in that olive oil, and that's the sauce, and the fish sauce and soy sauce. And we can keep putting some of that over there, and we can keep putting some of it over here because it's good stuff. Okay, let me get my buns toasted up, and we're almost on our way to building a burger. Let me just get my veggies sauteed up. I think I'm probably going to turn the right burner off completely and just continue cooking my burger on the left side. Get that up there where you can see it. And you can see all the garlic on that thing. This is going to be one garlicky mess. The Palermo Burger. Stay tuned. Okay, I've shut the right-hand side of the grill off. I've got my bun over here toasting. I've got my veggies cooking over here. My burger cooking right in the middle here. Going to flip it over again. I'm going to keep flipping it and flipping it until it gets cooked in the middle. So I don't lose any of that garlic. I'm going to take some of that sauce and put over here, toast this bun with. Oh, it's already getting toasty. Oh yeah. Getting toasty already. Let's get some more sauce right here. That sauce is amazing, by the way. And I've got some tomatoes slices, and I'm going to griddle them up a little bit, just because I never have. I'm going to just put a little cooking on those tomato slices, and we'll get them in the burger. The burger's going to have, I think my bun is toasted. I want to get it off there. I don't want to burn it. Yeah, it needs a little more toast. A little bit more toast. It's going to have all this and more on it. So give me a minute. Let me cook up my burger. You can see that garlic is everywhere. The burger's got to cook. I don't want it to be too raw. I'm going to put a little bit more of that sauce on there. If I can find my spoon. Drop a little sauce on the burger. Drop a little sauce on my onions and peppers. Oh, why not? On the tomatoes too. Why not? What the hell? Can only give them flavor. Does it look good? Looks good already. I think we're almost ready to assemble the burger. As soon as I get the burger cooked up, I'll get my cutting board over here and we'll put this burger together. Stay tuned. I'm ready to assemble my Palermo Burger. I got the bottom bun here. I'm going to put a little bit of that sauce that we made with the garlic, soy sauce, and olive oil on the bottom of the bun. Then I'm going to put some baby spinach that I have over here. Some baby spinach on the bottom of the bun. That looks like lettuce, but it's not. It's baby spinach. Okay. That's enough baby spinach, I think. I don't know. Yeah, I think it is. Let's get the burger off of there. Here's the burger. That's a beautiful burger, let me tell you what. One of my spinaches came out. I need to get that back in there. How am I going to accomplish this? There. Okay, got the spinach in. Oh, it's delicious so far. Let's put some more of that sauce on there. That stuff rocks. Let me tell you what. Some of that sauce on top. Let's get some onions and peppers on there. Sauteed onions and peppers. Oh yeah, this is starting to look like something. Let's get our tomato slices. Probably won't be able to fit both, but I'm going to try. Hot tomato slices because they've been griddled. Okay. Next we're going to throw down some provolone cheese. If I can get it open, I should have opened this ahead of time. I apologize. Here I'm fumbling with this package. Oh boy, okay. Got it going. Got it going, got it coming and going. Alright. Provolone cheese. Let's get this on there. Let's get about 2 slices of provolone. Not the paper, just the cheese. 2 slices of provolone cheese on top. And on top of that, we're going to go with some prosciutto. And I don't know who thought this burger up, but they were thinking right. They were thinking about the right way of doing things because prosciutto is delicious. It's all I can do to keep from eating it without putting it on my burger. It's very hard to deal with because it's sliced very thinly sliced pieces of Italian ham, prosciutto. It's equivalent to Serrano ham, if you've ever had Serrano ham. Here we go with the prosciutto. Here's a piece of prosciutto and another piece on top. We're going to get some of that sauce on my prosciutto. Oh boy, that looks, I'm going to put the top on that. That is, oh, I don't know how I'm going to eat that, boy. Let me tell you what. How does that look? Let me get a little bit lower. Shut up. Oh, that's delicious. Let me get a beer and we'll take a taste of this awesome burger. Stay tuned. Ladies and gentlemen, the Frosty Root Boy mug and today's beer, an Italian beer to go with my Palermo burger, Peroni Nastro Azzurro. I'm not sure what that means. I used to know, but I don't anymore. But I know that Peroni is a good Italian beer. We're going to pour that out. I'm not sure how I'm going to get some of this burger in my mouth, but I'm going to try. But first I got to pour out some Nastro Azzurro beer, some Peroni, Italian beer. I'm so happy that I got some Italian beer to go with this. I need a napkin right off the bat. Before I even try to eat this thing, I have to have a napkin handy. Let's take a taste of this Peroni Azzurro Nastro. Rob, what do you think? Italian beer. Ah, I was dry. That was delicious. That's some good beer. I think it's a lager. I gotta try to get some of this in my mouth, but first I gotta smash it down a bit. Let me turn the camera around so you can see me try to cram this in my mouth. Stay tuned. Okay, wait till you see this burger. Oh man, look at that thing. What does that look like? A monstrosity, but I'll tell you what, it's gonna be good with all that prosciutto on there. I gotta try and somehow get this thing in my mouth, and I know it's gonna go everywhere. Look at that, baby. Let me get a bite of that. Oh my goodness. That is like the best of both worlds. It's like an Italian sausage sandwich with peppers and onions and a burger with prosciutto, peppers and onions. It's just amazing. Pepper. Oh boy. Oh my. That's amazing. Let me tell you what. That's one of the best burgers I've ever had. Ah. Want to take another look at that? How about that bite? Did I get a bite out of it or not? There, where's it at? Right there. Anyway, babies, I need a beer. You know what I always say. If you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, I got a new guy for you to check out. Let me see if I get his name right. I actually don't know the dude's name, but the channel name is Race Vice Barbecue. I believe that's what it is. That sauce has hot peppers in it, and they're steeped into that olive oil. The garlic is steeped into the olive oil. It's delicious. But yeah, anyway, you know what I always say, if you like this crap, please subscribe. If you don't, go open the iCard and check out my buddy, I don't know his name, Race Vice, the guy I just discovered on YouTube. You'll check out his videos. He's doing some great barbecue videos. As always, I ask if you like this crap to please subscribe. And yeah, that's my that's the Palermo Burger. It's one hell of a burger, let me tell you what. I can't wait to go back inside and devour it. Anyway, babies, that's my video. We'll see you next week. Same bat time, same bat channel. And yeah, keep on rocking, babies. Bye.